Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the announce call feature on your iPhone. If Siri keeps announcing who's calling and you find it distracting, this guide will help you disable it in a few seconds. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps option. Then from the next screen, find and tap on the Phone option. This is where all your call related settings are located. Inside the phone settings, tap on Announce Calls option. This option lets you control when Siri announces the name or number of incoming callers. Here you will see options like Always, Headphones and Car, Headphones Only, and Never. To fully disable this feature, simply select Never. Once selected, Siri will stop announcing incoming calls completely. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Announce Calls feature on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.